create something fun! Ta-da! Wow, look at my balloons. They're so colorful.
What?
Oh, no! My balloons. Why? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'll fix it. I'll make something to cheer you up. Help! I need your cooking skills.
Huh? What happened?
I popped all his balloons.
All right, let's cook something to cheer him up. Chicken! Yogurt! Chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic powder, paprika, lemon peel, lime. Cooking oil, onion. Butter, garlic, brown sugar, tomato, cashew, whipping cream, oregano, huh? Where's the chicken bowl? Aha! Hey, what are you doing? My chicken!
Oh no!
You sneaky cat! Stop stealing my food! It looks so delicious. Amazing!
Wow! So attractive! I want to eat too! Nice!
What's that? Oh, a recipe! Awesome! I'm going to cook now. First, let's make the sauce. All right, let's get started. Passion fruit! Soy sauce. Honey. Cornstarch. Salt. Sesame oil. Garlic. Rice. Water. Next is the most important step. We need salmon. Hey, cat! Go Go buy me some salmon, please.
Okay, Daisy. Beetroot. Avocado. Seaweed. Oil. Crab stick. Spiral fish cake.
Oh no! My food stand!
Daisy, Daisy.
Thank you so much.
Salmon.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.
Hi, Daisy. Have some of this. Huh?
Thank you. Wait here. Thanks. Bye.
scallops. 50% off.
Ah, there's one tray left.
No way, that's mine.
Hey, it's mine.
I got here first.
Go home and cook now, haha.
Next time, wait in line.
Scallops. Green bell pepper. Bell pepper. Onion. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Baking powder. Flour. Egg. Oil. So many things. I choose mango. Mango. Lemon. Honey. Chili. Mayonnaise. Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.